Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Leos, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have letter, mountain and clouds. So Leos, you have some kind of confusion in your mind. Maybe about your career situation, some kind of important decisions you are making for yourself, guys, or maybe for this relationship. You don't know what this person is thinking or feeling, or the words they are speaking. It is simply hurting you and you feel really stressed and worried, guys. And for some of you, you feel that there are a lot of hurdles for you or obstacles in this relationship, and you have to work really hard, and it is simply some unreachable obstacles or undoable things that are there in this connection. Something that is not within your power, something that is simply stressing you, something that looks like impossible changes for you, guys. So you are worried a lot, stressed a lot. You don't know the right thing to do, some kind of confusions. But I also see that Leos, in your situation today, there is some kind of communication coming your way. It may be some information, a news or a message that is going to change how the way things are going today, or that is going to bring clarity for some of you, or that is going to bring a break in this relationship, guys. So maybe this person you are in connection with, they are sending you some important communication. It may be an email or a letter, or it may be something that is going to prove everything right. Maybe you were having some fears about this person. You had a vague idea about them, what they are feeling or what they are thinking. Maybe you guess that they are not interested in you anymore. They are moving away from you, trying to distance themselves from you. So some kind of separation you were thinking of, and they are proving it right today, guys, with their message. Maybe they are sending you a breakup message, some kind of something is not right for you, Leos, for some of you. But for some of you, I see that there are chances that things may go in a positive way. So this person may tell you the reason for their behavior or why things are going in a particular way. They want you to change certain things, or they want to change themselves. That may be the reason for this break, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have fish. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe there are certain things happening, recurring again and again. Maybe some arguments or some some words spoken. So they have some kind of excessive behavior or some kind of addiction, something they are speaking or doing, maybe in this love, in this connection. That may be the reason for troubles, guys. Or maybe they are neglecting you, they want to neglect you or neglect this connection. But you are trying to bring that understanding, trying your best, but you are unable to do anything, guys. So the reason may be some kind of addiction they have. Maybe this person is addicted to something, maybe bad habits like drinking or smoking something, creating a bad situation for your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is lilies. So things are going in a very positive way in your career, guys. You are reaching success, Leos. That is what I see, guys. Leos, if you want clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading I have right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have enter the garden of delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card, and it is Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply, and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys, one sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self, but we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also, you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself. Just like you have the light and dark, each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.